So I am going to start this look off by using my E.L.F. eyelid primer. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid and blend it out. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Hot Singles eyeshadow from NYX Cosmetics in the shade Whipped Cream. And I am just going to take that shadow and pack it on the whole lid as my base color. Okay, so now that that white shadow is all over the lid, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush, and I am going to use my Modern Renaissance palette today. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Warm Taupe, and I'm just going to put that in my crease and a little bit above my crease and blend it out towards my brow bone. Okay, so once you have that all blended out, going to go into Cypress Umber, this dark brown shade, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower on the crease just to darken it up a little bit. And then I'm also going to take this sort of flat brush, and I'm still going to go into that Cypress Umber shade. I'm going to put shadow on my outer corner and my inner corner and leave the middle of my eye blank. And I'm just gonna go back and forth with my other brush just until I get the look that I want. Okay, and then if you want, you could go in with that white eyeshadow again and just take your finger and kind of tap that in the middle where we're gonna have the shimmer shade, just to blend it with that brown. For the shade in the middle, I'm gonna go in with the shade Primavera, and I am just going to dip my finger in and put it over where we had that white in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with the Cypress Umber shade and blend that out a little bit. Okay, so we're going to move on from the eyes for now, and I'm going to start on my base. So I'm going to start off with my E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to take some on my finger and kind of dab it all over my face. And then you're gonna rub the primer in until you get it all over your face. Okay, so after the primer is on, I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. Flawless Finish Foundation. I am in the shade Snow. So I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and take the foundation all over my face. Okay, so then after I have my foundation on, I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer on my under eyes. And this one is pretty thick, so I don't go in with a lot. I do just enough to kind of cover the under eye area. And then go back in with my beauty blender and blend that out. And you have to work a little fast with this one because it does dry down pretty quickly. So next I'm going to go in with my KVD Beauty Lock It Setting Powder, and I use the translucent shade, and it comes with this little itty bitty sponge. So I'm just going to use that to set my under eye area. Then next I'm going to contour with my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, and I use the shade Amber. So I'm just going to make a line on my cheekbone, and then I'm going to take my sponge again and just blend that out into the foundation. Okay, then next I'm going to go in again with that setting powder and just set the rest of my face. So next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer. I'm the shade In the Sun. And I'm just going to go over my cheekbones again, around my temples, and on my forehead. And instead of kind of like swiping it on, I do more of a kind of patting, stippling motion just to make sure that I don't spread my foundation around too much. And I'm also going to do a little bit of nose contour as well. And something else I also like to do is to blend my contour up kind of towards my eyebrow a bit, like right here, just to diffuse it and have it give that like natural shadow. Okay, then next I am going to go in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. So I'm just going to take that on my blush brush and just kind of swirl it. And I also like to do just a little bit on my nose. Next I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish the eye look. So I'm just going to go back in with that Cypress Umber shade. I'm going to take it underneath my eyelid, but not too far in. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Ink Liner. Next, I'm going to go in with my Ofra Cosmetics and NikkieTutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter. So next I'm going to put on some false lashes. So I'm going to use my Ardell Faux Make Wispies in the Demi Wispy style. And I'm also going to use my Ardell Lash Grip Clear Brush On Eyelash Adhesive. Okay, so my eyelashes are on. I also went in with my CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara in Very Black just to blend my eyelashes with the false lashes. So last we're going to do the lips, so I'm going to go in with my Bite Beauty Line and Define Lip Primer. Okay, then next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. This is her Universal Red shade, and it has to be probably my favorite lipstick of all time. It's perfect. Okay, so lastly, to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with my e.L.F. Makeup Mist and Set Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'll put some more close-up pictures on the screen so you can see. And that is the tutorial all done. So thank you so much for watching, and good luck in all your Zoom calls, and I hope you take inspiration from my look for your makeup. Okay, see you later. Bye!